Removing extensions, the quick guide. Need to remove an extension from Chrome? It's a simple process. First, locate the Chrome menu. It's the three dots in the top right corner of your browser window. Click on it, then hover over More Tools and select Extensions. This opens the Extensions Management page, where you'll see all your installed extensions. Find the extension you want to remove. You'll see a Remove button below it. Click Remove, and Chrome will ask you to confirm. Confirm your decision, and the extension will be uninstalled immediately. That's the fastest way to declutter your Chrome browser. Besides the main method, you can also remove an extension by right-clicking its icon on the Chrome toolbar, if it has one. A menu will appear with a Remove from Chrome option. Click that and confirm as before. If you're having trouble removing an extension, like the Remove button is grayed out, it could be due to a Chrome policy set by your administrator if you're on a managed device. In this case, you may need to contact your IT support. For extensions that keep reinstalling themselves, scan your computer for malware, as it could be the source of the unwanted installation. Chrome's built-in malware scanner, found in Settings under Reset and Cleanup, is a good place to start.